Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the account with permission to change the desktop. Open the Launcher or Applications list now. Use the Start menu, Dock, or the System search bar. Once done, switch to Icon View or enable desktop icons in Settings so you can place apps. Make sure settings apply to the current display profile, otherwise changes won't show. This gets you immediately ready to restore and pin apps where you want them. You'll now locate each application and create the visible shortcut. You search to find the app, then right-click and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. That places it on the home area quickly. If you prefer desktop icons, drag the app from Applications to the desktop or create a shortcut through the File Manager. Once done, check the desktop folder for LNK or desktop files and copy them if needed to ensure the icon persists after restarts. Finish by arranging your apps into a tidy grid or folders so they're easy to find. Once placed, lock the layout if your OS supports it. This prevents accidental moves. If an icon disappears, restart the File Explorer process or log out and back in because the UI often simply needs to reload. If problems persist, make sure desktop folder permissions are correct, profile sync isn't reverting changes, and display scaling isn't hiding icons.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.